Hey there, I'm Rich Dempsey. I'm a therapist at Avenues of Counseling and Mediation in Medina. Today I want to chat with you about your marriage. You know, it's easy to underestimate the value of a strong and thriving marriage until you find yourself at a crossroads. Couples often don't realize how far apart they've grown until it's too late. That's why I'm excited to tell you about something that can make a real difference. I'm going to be spending one weekend a month next year hosting couples workshops where we'll be teaching the 7 principles that make marriage work. Now, we all know divorce can seem like an easy way out when things get tough, but here's the thing. There's a wealth of evidence showing the harmful effects of divorce on everyone involved. On the flip side, investing in your marriage has tangible benefits for your physical and emotional well-being. Research tells us that happily married folks tend to live 4 to 8 years longer. Why? Because being in a happy relationship acts as a buffer against life's stresses, reducing conflict, and promoting a healthier, longer life. And let's talk about your emotional health. Happy couples experience lower rates of anxiety, depression, substance abuse, and suicide. The impact on children is profound too. Kids raised in homes with parental hostility face higher stress levels with long-term consequences. Dr. Gottman's groundbreaking research has shown that couples can change for the better. In fact, 640 couples who attended a 2-day workshop based on Gottman's work saw a success rate of about 75%, with a lower relapse rate than typical marital therapy. So here's your chance. Join me and other couples on a journey to a more stable and satisfying partnership with your spouse. I'm hosting a free 2-hour introductory program on December 13th and again on the 20th. This is your sneak peek into what our full marriage retreat package offers. There'll be valuable content and exercises for you and your spouse to try out. This event will be held virtually, so don't forget to RSVP at www.avenuesofcounseling.com to secure your spot. So let's make your marriage the best it can be. I hope to see you there.